While building a ship is considered as an engineering feat, a combination of science and art, ship recycling is even more than that. It requires extreme caution, a skilled workforce, advanced technology, and compliance to various international standards. It is one of the most challenging and arduous tasks amongst all recycling industries. Covering an impermeable floor of 11,200 square meters at the edge of the Bay of Bengal, the PHP Ship Recycling Facility is one of the world's finest. Leveraging technology, uncompromising commitment towards the environment and people, and adherence to worldwide standards, we at PHP are pioneering the green and sustainable ship recycling industry in Bangladesh. PHP Family is one of the most diversified and eminent business enterprises of Bangladesh. Beginning with a wide range of flat to long steel products and establishing the first float glass industry in Bangladesh, PHP has set the pace of growth with its continuous expansion into aluminium, textiles, power generation, petroleum, real estate, equity management, agro, education and healthcare. Starting the journey back in 1982, the PHP Ship Recycling Facility is now capable of handling and recycling up to 250,000 light displacement tonnage LDT per year. The water-repellent concrete floor for cutting and recycling activities, tower crane for cut block handling, and crawler cranes to perform the labour-intensive work are the first of their kind in the Bangladesh ship recycling industry. PHP Ship Recycling has adequate containment and spill cleanup and treatment equipment to maintain superior environmental practices, as well as preventing any leakage or spillage on the ground and the intertidal zone. There is a separate cleaning station with high-pressure water jets to clean oily pieces, and a dedicated storage tank for oily water with treatment facility, which is also capable of recycling the bilge water. The effective drainage system and adequate storage capacity are there for rain and wastewater, and the treatment facility is also capable of treating ballast water. We strictly maintain the use of personal protective gear and assure environmental safety during asbestos handling on ship and at the yard. Adequate and separate storage areas for hazardous waste, LPG, oxygen and other gases are in line. The Incineration Facility is used for the disposal of certain categories of waste and the waste compression machine for easy storage, specifically glass wool and insulating materials. The 250 kilowatt captive power generation plant ensures uninterrupted operations for the entire facility. We value our workforce by putting the utmost priority on their safety and healthcare. After being trained at the Bangladesh Shipbreakers and Recyclers Association, BSBRA, we arrange further regular training in our own training centre to develop a skilled workforce. Using personal protective equipment, PPE, is compulsory for every worker. We perform instant mock drills on firefighting to exercise our effective firefighting system with sufficient water storage facility. The workforce is familiar with using the rescue boat and speedboat if an emergency rescue situation arises. Our workers can enjoy the services of the well-equipped medical facility and ambulance at the yard, and also have full access to the BSBRA hospital. We care for our workers with comfortable accommodation, clean and hygienic washroom facilities, canteen, recreation room and prayer room. There are 2 water treatment plants with a total capacity of 4,000 litres per hour to ensure a pure and hygienic water supply. By implementing globally accepted safety practices and pollution-free operational capability, the PHP Ship Recycling Facility has been awarded with ISO certification for the first time in Bangladesh. We have implemented all requirements to meet the Hong Kong International Convention and the European Union Ship Recycling Regulations. We are proceeding at full pace to earn further international certifications.
we have started a journey which was very difficult and very long. We have done all that we could do to make sure that we can incorporate all the requirements of Hong Kong Convention.
We were brought on board to work on a very exciting initiative here in Bangladesh called the Sustainable Ship Recycling Initiative. Everything you see here is the journey to try and improve the environmental and social standards here, not only in Chittagong but in PHP particularly. We have seen a massive improvement in the environmental and social standards, the accommodations and quarters for the workers, food and water that is being provided to them, the training, the protective equipment and gear, and then looking at the environmental improvements in their actual operations.
I guess the most obvious one is the degree of mechanization and industrialization. Certainly the first tower crane I've seen on a ship recycling plot in the subcontinent, and on top of that, the way the staff are taken care of, where they can go and sleep and rest and wash themselves and even pray in the mosque. So many changes, many good changes.
The ship recycling industry is very important to Bangladesh, and of course it's also important for Bangladesh to comply with national and international rules. The Netherlands Embassy has executed a small program in 2030 together with PHP, and PHP have received our program so well because they are one of the leaders in this industry. I think that the workers from now on will work in a less hazardous environment. Also, occupational safety will be taken care of.
We are thankful to the media and the civil society organisations for their support.
Ship Breaking and Recycling Industries Limited গত 2 বছরে গড়ে তুলেছে গ্রিন শিপ ব্রেকিং ইয়ার্ড।
কিছু শিপইয়ার্ডের মালিক এখন কিছু ভালো উদ্যোগ নিচ্ছে। পিএইচপি তাদের একটি বিশাল উন্নয়ন কর্ম পরিকল্পনা নিয়ে তারা সামনে এসেছে এবং তারা উন্নয়নের দিকে এগিয়ে যাচ্ছে।
Yes, we are a responsible shipbreaker, and I want the responsible ship owners to come and support us.
We want to send a message out to the world, to the ship owners of Europe, of Asia, and to the NGOs, and to everyone. Seeing is believing. Come and see for yourself. Come to Bangladesh, come to Chittagong, come to PHP, and see what leading by example looks like.
And together we can build a sustainable ship recycling industry in Bangladesh.
Caring for the environment, the people and all living species is our motto of sustainability. We at PHP are the change makers of sustainable ship recycling in Bangladesh.